So today I'm going to discuss about heuristic evaluations in the UX design. So first one is it is a process where experts the users use rules of thumb measure the usability of user interface in independent walkthroughs and report issues. So it is a technique for the distinguished plan issue in an UI. So evaluators judge the plan against the bunch of rules called heuristics that makes frameworks simple to utilize. So when the evaluators judge the plan against the bunch of rules called the heuristics. So the heuristic evaluation is the process where experts use of rules comes to measure the usability of the user interface, independent walkthrough and report issues. So here the evaluators were use the established and reveals the insights that can help the design teams enhance the product usability from early in the development. So first one is what is your 10 commandments useful for? In 1990s, the web usability pioneers Jacob Nielsen and Rolf Molish published the landmark article Improving and Human Computer Dialogue. It contains set of principles or heuristics which industry specialized soon began to adopt the access the interface in a human controlling interface. In user experience design, the professional evaluators use the heuristic evaluations to determine design or product usability systematically. As experts, they go through a checklist of criteria and find faults that design teams to overlook. The Nelson's and Molish heuristics states that the system should keep users informed about its status. So second point is shows information in ways users understand. Third point is offers users controlled. Fourth one is be consistent. So be consistent is so users are not confused over what different words, icons, etc. mean. So fifth one is prevent errors. The system should either avoid conditions where a system arise or warn users before use they take the risk actions. Sixth one is have visible informations, instructions, etc. to use recognized options, etc. actions, etc. So seventh one is be flexible. Eighth one is have no clutter. It contains only relevant information from the current task. So ninth one is provide plain language. Tenth one is list concise steps in the learn searchable documents. So here the main instructions to lead the heuristic assessment is characteristics the extent of assessment, know the end client, and the picture arrangement of the heuristics, setting up the assessment framework, recognition issues, and break down the some of the amount. So here are the some of the benefits. The uncover many secret convenience issues. It assists the designing the general client informations. Heuristic assessments can be joined with the convenience testings. The better heuristic assessment assists with connecting more clients. It is less expensive and quicker than directing all out convenience testing. So here having an heuristic evaluation as pros and cons. So the pros of heuristic evaluation is nothing but it can help highlight potentials, usability issues early in the design process. It is a fast and inexpensive tool compared with other methods involving the real users. Cons of the heuristic evaluations. So some of the disadvantages to having a heuristic information is some case it is a piece of difficult for even specialists to sort out these certain issues. It turns out the difficult to comes by specialists to lead heuristic assessment. We will require not many masters evaluators, so it will become simpler for us to stay with the ease of use testing. Defects in plan with influence commitment of clients in them. The heuristic testings relies upon the mastery level of the couple of specialists. So how to conduct heuristic evaluations? So first one is we should know what to test and how. So that is whether it is the entire product or one procedure, clearly define the parameters, what to test and how to test it. So first one is what to test and how to test it. Then know your users and how they have clear definitions of the target audience. Second point. So third point is select 3 to 5 evaluators. Mainly we have to find out the evaluators, 3 to 5 evaluators, and find out with which what design is to design. Fourth one is define the heuristic with the different nature of systems, product designs, consider the adopting and adapting the initial molds, heuristics. Second, next one is brief evaluators on what to cover in a selection of tasks. So brief evaluators, that is a scale of 70 codes to flag issues. So next one is first walkthrough. Then second walkthrough, and debrief evaluators. So what is meant by first walkthrough is nothing but they have evaluators use the product freely so they can identify element to analysis. So second walkthrough is evaluators scrutinize the individual elements according to the heuristics. They also examine how these fits into the overall design, clearly recording all the issues encountered. Debrief evaluators in a session, and so they can collate results for the analysis and suggest fixes. So these are the main heuristic design. So thank you for participating here.